and he's fucking ripping it, and he almost crashed. Well, oh, welcome back, guys. Check this out. R6 is back on the fucking road, man. Back on the fucking road. So long since I ride this thing. Since I rode this thing, actually, to be precise. I've missed this so much, man. So much. Because this piece of machinery is just fucking insane. But I'm gonna take this slow. It's gonna be chill run, chill trip, because I'm actually physically really tired, because I did a mountain biking trip with trail riding, and man, I did about 35 or almost 40 kilometers, and I'm not used to this much or this amount, because man, I've never done that much. So yeah, kinda physically demanding, and this is actually my first ride or second ride this year. And I would like to preserve my life till the next day. Peace, bro, and peace for you as well. So yeah, I'm gonna take it slow, and I'm gonna chill the fuck out, because that's what I want to do. Man, this is so addictive. God fucking damn it. I'm gonna have to do a pull when I can, because this bike just, man, this bike goes, and it goes fast. For 600, man, it's really fast. There are not really big and exciting news about R6. I'm kinda considering that I could buy a slip-on exhaust, but I haven't decided yet, because this bike is loud enough as it is, and it's completely stock. The exhaust is stock, downpipes are stock, everything is just stock, and this bike fucking screams, man. It fucking screams. So I'm not sure if I even want to do this, because man, I'm wearing earplugs right now, so my head doesn't hurt. Nice. Sweet. So chcesz víc. So yeah, this is it basically. Wow. Let's go with those guys. Sounds like fun. And he's fucking ripping it. And he almost crashed. Well, this is a lot of ego in here. A lot of ego. Wow, that's fucking insane. I don't mind going through the solid line, but this was just insane. Insane and really pointless. I mean, yeah, you can actually fucking rip it here and there, but man, we got just one fucking life to live. There are no fucking second chances. I mean, bikes are fun, don't get me wrong. The adrenaline rush is pretty addictive as well, but man, you gotta think about the consequences, because if you don't, you're gonna crash, you die, you could seriously damage your spine or whatever, and man, you don't want that to happen. Fucking much. Okay. This is just way too fucking awesome. Way too fucking awesome. Man, I'm having the blast. I'm having the fucking best time of my life. Oh, big news! Big news, I almost forgot. I finally decided what design do I want with my new leather suit, and the design is set in stone, and I hope the company started with my suit already, so I can have it in, like, let's say 6 to 8 weeks, something like that. I don't mind actually waiting for it, because it's gonna fit perfectly, I hope, and it's the design I like, it's the design I wanted, so I'm really happy so far with the results. But we'll see how it actually looks when it's ready and when I'm going to pick it up. So yeah, exciting news for me. It was a kinda pricey thing to do, yeah, the suit was really pricey, but man, I think it's worth it, really worth it. But we'll see about that. And wow, sweet, bro. Oh, these guys are just so nice. Wow, so nice. All right, that's it for today's vlog, because I don't want it to be too long, because that's not really entertaining, to be honest. So yeah, take care, ride safe, and peace out.